Welcome once again to All India Management Students Community, AIMSC, the Skill India Initiative, the ProQuest Competition Preparation Comprehensive Classes. We welcome you once again to English Communication Online Learning Program exclusively by Career Dreams Education. Now, taking you to the main learning program, this program of English Communication Online Learning will help you teaching English grammar, English writing skills, English speaking, English communication specialization, and we shall focus all together on pronunciation, the rules of grammar, vocabulary, the word power, and the conversation part, how to talk in English, how to express your ideas in English. Now let me take you to the next slide, and as you can see on the screen, we have got the list of activities we shall be doing in the English classes. In the English class आप लोगों को एक सेशन में 7 एक्टिविटीज कराई जाएंगी, जिसमें the first activity will be refined core grammar, rules of grammar आपको सिखाए जाएंगे, vocabulary, words सिखाए जाएंगे, words of the day, words of wisdom. Particularly every class में आपको कुछ words सिखाए जाएंगे और साथ ही आपको English proverbs, English कहावत, English idioms बताए जाएंगे. On the next note, we will have speaking practice. Let's speak and let's write. At the end, we will have our assignment, a homework to make you practice more. Now, let me take you to the main teaching part, जहाँ पे we will discuss the rules of grammar, the topics of grammar to start the basic level of English communication. Now let me change my slide. Okay, now you can see on the screen the topic is grammar, but try to read carefully what is given on the screen. Sentence building, वाक्य को बनाना. What way, किस तरह से sentences बनाए जाते हैं in English. What is the way to make a sentence, how to make a sentence in English. किस तरह से, कैसे, how, कैसे sentence बनते हैं English में. Now let me read the sentence. Ram eats food. Ram खाना खाता है. In Hindi it means Ram खाना खाता है. Subject कर्ता, काम करने वाला, the person who is doing the work, the person who does the work is subject. Subject काम करने वाला. Verb in Hindi क्रिया, क्या काम किया जा रहा है. What work is being done. क्या काम क्या काम किया जा रहा है. This is verb. Eats, क्या खाया जा रहा है. Food is the object, कर्म. Subject काम करने वाला, verb काम, object क्या किया, किस चीज के साथ, which object, क्या चीज के साथ, what object we are having. So in English, subject plus verb plus object. This is the basic way to make a sentence in English. Let me take you to the next slide. Now you can see on the screen. Just zoom your screen and try to read what is given in English and in Hindi. Subject काम करने वाला, verb काम जो किया जा रहा है, object क्या किसको. The person who is doing the work. The person who is doing the work is subject. The work, activity he is doing, जो काम वो कर रहा है, जो काम किया जा रहा है, that is verb. क्या and किसको, क्या किया, किसको किया, this is object. Now let me go through the first example. Now focus on the screen. Ram gave books to Sita. Ram gave books to Sita. राम ने सीता को बुक्स दी. सब्जेक्ट राम, काम करने वाला राम. व्हाट इज डूइंग, वो कर क्या रहा है. गिविंग, देना. गेव, व्हाट ही गेव, बुक्स टू सीता. क्या दिया, बुक्स. किसको, सीता. तो राम इज द सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब गेव, ऑब्जेक्ट बुक, एंड सीता शी इज ऑल्सो ऑब्जेक्ट. क्या दिया, बुक. किसको दिया? सीता. Let's me take the next example. I go to school. I subject, go verb. In the sentence there is no object. Object नहीं है. क्या जाता है? No answer. किसको जाता है? No answer. There is no object in the sentence. In Hindi you have to see क्या किसको. Only 2 words. Now this idea is clear to you? Okay now. Now let's take the new exercise. Okay. Now you can see on the screen we are given 7 sentences. We have to find out subject, verb and object. It's an exercise. You have to find out subject काम करने वाला कौन है, verb काम क्या हो रहा है, object क्या किसको. Now in every sentence the first word is subject काम करने वाला. In the beginning of the sentence starting में subject आता है, verb काम जो किया जा रहा है, क्या किया, किसको किया, this is object. Mother washes clothes. Now just understand the sentence. माँ कपड़े धोती है. माँ, mother subject, washes verb, object, cloth कौन धोती है? माँ. माँ is the subject. क्या कर रही है? Washing, धोना, washes क्या धोती है? Cloth is the object. Let me take second example. Tailor stitches new dress. Tailor दर्जी, tailor. Stitch सिलता है. क्या सिलता है? नए कपड़े. Subject tailor, verb stitch सिलना. क्या सिला? New dress. New dress is the object. Now third sentence, just try to understand. Baker brings sugar from the market. Baker bread बनाने वाला. The person who makes bread subject. Brings लाना verb क्या लाता है? Sugar is the object. You see, baker bread बनाने वाला subject. Brings लाना क्या लाता है? Sugar. Sugar is the object. From the market it is not the object. ये sentence का part है. It's a part of sentence, not object. Fourth sentence, the butcher sells meat. Butcher कसाई, meat बेचने वाला. Subject butcher, verb sells, object meat. I go Delhi by flight. मैं दिल्ली जाता हूँ flight से. I subject, go verb. There is no object. Object नहीं है. क्या जाता है? No idea. किसको जाता है? No idea. Subject I, verb go. The sixth sentence, they deliver books to students. They means वो सब, वो लोग. Deliver देना. क्या दिया? Books. किसको? Students को. There is the subject, deliver, verb, object, books, students. क्या दिया? Books. किसको? Students को. Last, he distributed toffees to his friends. उसने टॉफी बांटी दोस्तों को. He subject वह. What he is doing? Distributing बांटना. क्या बांटी? टॉफीज. Object किसको बांटी? Friends. Object. So you got the first idea. In English you have to understand every sentence. हर वाक्य में we have 3 parts. 3 चीजें. Subject काम करने वाला, verb काम, object क्या किसको. Now this the first topic is over. If you got any doubt, please let me know. Okay, now let's move on to the next topic. We're gonna have a new topic. It's given sentence making using demonstrative. Demonstrative in Hindi इशारा करना. This, that, these, those. This यह, that वह, these ये, those वे. So you have to make इशारा. इशारे से बताना है यह क्या है, वह क्या है, ये क्या है, वे क्या हैं. Now let me take you to the next slide. Okay, you see the structure. This and that. This and that means एक वचन. singular. Singular means एक वचन. Is, was, will be. Is है, was था, will be होगा. Is है, was था, will be होगा. This is a car. यह कार है. This was a school. यह स्कूल था. That will be post office. वह पोस्ट ऑफिस होगा. This है, this is है, was था, will be होगा. And these and those are, were, will be. These and those for plural, बहुवचन के लिए आएगा. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. These ये सब, those वे सब, बहुत सारी चीजें. Are, were, will be. Now you see the structure? Okay. To English. Let's take the first example. You can see the screen. Now let me go through the examples one by one. यह घर है. This is a house. घर है. This is a house. वह मंदिर था. था means पहले था, अब नहीं है. वह, that was a temple. That was a temple. Was means था. क्या था? मंदिर, temple. यह बैंक होगी. Let me repeat. वह बैंक होगी. वह, that होगी, will be a bank. वह बैंक होगी. In future, we are talking about future. वह बैंक होगी. ये दुकानें हैं. These are shop. ये बहुत सारी. ये means lot of दुकानें, lot of shops. These are shops. are बहुत सारी है. lot of shop. वे डॉक्टर हैं. lot of doctor. those are doctors. those वे सब, those are doctors. वे टीचर थे. those were teachers. those were teachers. वो टीचर्स थे. वे जज होंगे. जज होंगे. those will be judges. those will be judges. You see, है, are, थे, were, होंगे, will be. So this and that. यह और वह. These and those. ये और वे. So this is the second topic which we have studied. Demonstration. How to make simple sentences. छोटे छोटे वाक्य कैसे बनाते हैं. यह किताब है. This is a book. यह किताब थी. That this was a book. यह किताब होगी. This will be a book. Clear? Now if you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, now we have come to the last portion. It's again a grammar topic. How to make sentences. Types of sentence. कितने तरह के वाक्य बनते हैं. पॉजिटिव, एफर्मेटिव, नेगेटिव, इंट्रोगेटिव, नेगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव. पॉजिटिव, हाँ, राम इज प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. राम क्रिकेट खेल रहा है. नेगेटिव, राम इज नॉट प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. राम क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहा है. इंट्रोगेटिव क्वेश्चन. इज राम प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. क्या राम खेल रहा है क्रिकेट. नेगेटिव, इज राम नॉट प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. क्या राम क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहा है. यू सी, यू हैव टू मेक 4 sentences. पॉजिटिव, खेल रहा है, हाँ वो खेल रहा है. नेगेटिव, नहीं खेल रहा है. क्वेश्चन, क्या वो खेल रहा है. नेगेटिव क्वेश्चन, क्या वो खेल नहीं रहा है. सो दिस इज द grammar portion. Types of sentences. You have to see 4 variety of sentence. Now let me give you some exercise question. You see, there are, not there is, there are 3 sentences on the screen. Ram is sleeping. Ram सो रहा है. They are going to Delhi. वो दिल्ली जा रहे हैं. He was reading book. वो बुक पढ़ रहा था. You have to make negative, not. Interrogative, question, negative interrogative. Now you just see the sentence carefully and we're gonna see the answers. Now let me change the slide. Okay. We have shown a new slide. In the first box, Ram is sleeping. They are going to Delhi. He was reading book. Second, negative, not. Ram is not sleeping. Ram नहीं सो रहा है. They are not going to Delhi. वो दिल्ली नहीं जा रहे हैं. He was not reading book. वो book नहीं read कर रहा है. रहा था. Not means negative. Now make question. To make a question is को आगे रखिए. To make a question, use the word in the beginning. Is को आगे रखिए. Is Ram sleeping? Are they going to Delhi? Was he reading book? To make a question, is, am, are, has, have, was, were, ये words आगे आ जाएंगे. And last, negative question, use not. Is Ram not sleeping? Are they not going to Delhi? Was he not reading book? So negative sentences, use not. To make a question, keep the word in the beginning. Keep the helping verb को आगे रखिए. And negative interrogative, question with not. Is this topic clear to you? Let me know. Okay, now we have come on the last part of today's class. It is vocabulary part, word power. There are some names of vegetables. Let me read the names. You see on the screen, I have given you 20 vegetables in English. Read the name in your mind. In नाम को पढ़ के देखिए. And I will explain the Hindi names. So let me go quickly. Potato, आलू. Tomato, टमाटर. Onion, प्याज. Brinjal, बैंगन. Spinach, पालक. Okra, भिंडी. Cauliflower, फूल गोभी. Cabbage, पत्ता गोभी. पत्ता गोभी. Pumpkin, कद्दू. Coriander, धनिया. Garlic, लहसुन. Ginger, अदरक. Chili, मिर्ची. Mint, पुदीना. Lemon, नींबू. And last category, bottle gourd, लौकी. Bottle gourd. Bitter gourd, जो कड़वा होता है. करेला. Bitter means कड़वा. Bottle gourd, लौकी. Bitter gourd, करेला. Ridge gourd, ridge means hard. Rich gourd, toru or तुरई. Evi gourd, गिलोई. Evi gourd, गिलोई. Peas, मटर. So a basic idea of English names of vegetables, sabziyan. Now if you want to ask something, please you may ask. Okay, now we have come to the final part of today's class. Words of wisdom, knowledge की बातें. Words of wisdom, knowledge की बातें. Punctuality is the key to success. Punctuality is the key to success. समय पे आना. Punctuality. If you are on time, you will get success. If you are on time, you will get success. So finally, we have come to the conclusion and we have just got a basic idea of English. English grammar, demonstration, types of sentences, names of vegetables and word of wisdom. English kahawat. You can say kahawat in English. Proverbs. Punctuality is the key to success. Okay then, that's the first part. Now let me know your response. Okay then, thank you so much.